pork satay on the streets. You know, there's guys with meters and meters of it happening. It's absolutely delicious. Today we're going to make a version which is very similar, I hope. Lovely grilled loin of pork. We've got a beautiful satay there, and we've got a lovely dipping sauce. Absolutely wonderful. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we've got here is 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander, cumin, and cinnamon powders. And then of course we've got our pork. Now, the pork that I like to use is pork loin. It's nice and tender, cuts really well, just beautiful, stays really juicy. And what I've done is I've cut it into kind of long strips like that. You can cut it into kind of more flattened kind of squares if you want. Very simply, we're going to get all of that together. Okay, so I've got a mixing bowl here, and our pork is already in there. Now, I didn't show you this earlier, but black pepper or white pepper if you want. Salt. Don't go crazy with the salt, because we've got the fish sauce, which is super, super salty. And here it is. Drop that in. And the sesame oil. That gives it a lovely nutty flavour and will kind of help it all come together. And then, again, let's just take one more look at these. We've got a teaspoon each here of turmeric, coriander, cinnamon, and cumin. I've got my glove on. What we're going to do is get that a little mix. Get it all in there, and ideally shrink wrap this or plastic wrap it and get it in your fridge overnight, but you want to leave it at least 1 hour. Okay, so I did leave my pork overnight. Now I'm going to be using some wooden or bamboo sticks. Now if you're going to do that, soak them in water. I've had them in water for like an hour or so. If they're dry, they're just going to burn on your stove or on your barbecue. Very simply, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that onto the sticks. Okay, so you can see I've just stuck them on the skewers like that. Now, if you want, you can cook them on a dry griddle and then show them to your gas flame if you want, But I'm going to do these on some charcoal. It's actually better if you do them on charcoal. Okay, so here we are in the garden. We're going to drop these on. Now, I'm really lucky that my barbecue, I can adjust it and I can wind it up and down. So you don't want it crazy near the flames. Red charcoal is better. We're going to pop these all on. We're going to cook these just for like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. They cook quite quickly. And I'll be turning them often. Okay, there you go. Looking absolutely beautiful. Let's get them on a plate. We're going to get back inside now. We're going to make a lovely satay sauce for them. Okay, and finally, so I've got a little pan here, and I'm going to drop into it some coconut milk. About 200 ml. 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. And then here I've got like a tablespoon of Thai red curry paste. You can use any colour you want actually. And then I've got 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. And it doesn't matter if you're using chunky or smooth. I think this is chunky, this one. Very simply, on a nice low heat, we're going to work this in till they're all nice and smooth. And we've got ourselves a really lovely little quick and easy satay sauce. So in this bowl, I've got some chopped cucumber, which is at the bottom. Fresh red chili, little bit of onion. We're going to go a little bit of fish sauce. And then we're going to go with some vinegar, a white vinegar. And that's delicious. We're going to be serving that with our satay. Okay, and off goes the heat. Let it on nice and low. And I love this sauce. You can see the coconut milk separating the oil there. Beautiful. Job done. And there you go. Beautiful satay there. That lovely spicy vinegar. grab one of those, dip it in that or dip it in that. Off you go. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.